Hello, I learned ABC A to Z. A. A is for apple. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cat. D. D is for doll. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for house. I is for insect. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kite. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for Santa Claus. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vase. W is for watcher. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Let's learn repeat again. Please subscribe me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.